Derek, gwapo ka. Kasing gwapo mo si Yambaw. Well, hindi mo kasing gwapo, pero okay lang yan. Cherry or banana, girl or boy, tikman mo na yung prutas niya. Kaya mo yan.
Hi Derek! So, first of all, sobrang nung ginawa mo para kay Ana. Sayang na lang na hindi niya na-reciprocate yung feelings mo. Pero, super good job dun sa confidence level. Maghintay ka na lang. Feeling ko dadating din yung girl na para sa'yo.
Hi Derek! Just a friendly advice. You don't need a girl to complete your life. There are better things in life than love. Focus on your academics now. Because with good grades, a girl might come to you.
Hi Derek! Okay, the truth is, you just have to be yourself. I mean, like, be confident in yourself, and eventually things will work out your way. I mean, sure that you want to be attractive and all those things, but at the end of the day, love's all that matters, and the girl that loves you will love you for who you are.
You are my competition. That's it. Okay na yun. Yes. I'll do that.
Derek, please stop finding love in Tinder. You don't have to search that far because I'm here and I'm waiting.
Hi Derek, I hope you find your Anna in Jomac, and please earn a lot of money for us or else I'll fire you.
Honestly, Derek, feeling ko hindi magandang way yung sinabi mo sa YouTube. Kasi, unang-una, dapat naging sure ka na may feelings din siya sa'yo. Pa hindi ko pahiya. Or, ewan ko, feeling ko yun. Or, ewan ko. Pero, I admire your, confidence. And I'm sure madaming taong ma-admire sa'yo.
Girl, you're every woman in the world.